look at this tire, bro. This is a meaty boy. Hey, yo, pause. Time out. I'm going to be getting some new rims. I will be getting some 3-piece rims for the Lolo from a hookup from a boy. He used to have a RSX and he was selling the rims, so I hopped up on it really quick because those things look so sick on his car, and he's selling it to me for really cheap, so why wouldn't I want to do it? And I can get rid of my reps. Not there's nothing wrong with reps. I did what I did on reps. I got all these followers and everything on reps. So if I can do it, you guys can do it. I can't fit all these rims inside my car, so we're gonna swap cars with my sister. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited as I am. On my way to spend all the money that I have in my bank account. Guys, I just picked up the rims. Yo, you guys are gonna be like, whoa, what? No way! I was so excited when I picked them up that I literally forgot to bring my phone inside. It wasn't anything. You guys didn't miss anything. I just literally went inside. I was like, okay, here's the money. And I walked out with the rims. And that was it. So I'm going to go home and drive home. And then I'm going to pull them out the car to show you guys. Come on. Come on. Just a tire. Dude, look at this tire, bro. Look at this rim. Look at this. This is a meaty boy. Hey, yo. Look how beautiful this rim is. My boy Luke from Instagram, he hooked me up and he sold me the tires and the rims for $3K. I had to do it. I had to. What's up, boss?
What's up, kiddo? Nice.
Yes. He said nice. Thank you very much. Now wait till they're on. Let's go to the RSX and just like put it up against the car. It's not gonna be on because I have to do a few things before I put them on. So in this video, we're not gonna put them on the RSX yet. I gotta fix my broken lug nuts. I gotta roll the fenders. We're just gonna put it up against there so you guys get a little, just a little bit. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Bro. Oh shit! I just chipped some of my paint. Nah, bro. I don't know if it'll hit the floor, but we're gonna try to make it work. Dude, what is that? These things look so clean, Daddy.
Someone's taking the tires.
It's not funny. I think aired out, I think it's gonna be like fender to lip, to be honest. When I put it up against over here to the lip, it's like, dude, I don't really know how the fitment works and stuff, but this is why I have these tires. Because I'm going to learn. Look how nasty that looks. I will be updating you guys on what I do next to the RSX. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment to keep update with the build. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.